What if I told you that you're probably wasting 10 hours every week on tasks that AI could do for you in minutes? Today, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that every day people are using right now to save time, work smarter, and get more done, and none of them require any tech skills whatsoever. Let's get into it. Welcome to AI for the Rest of Us, the channel where we make AI simple, practical, and accessible for everyday people. If that sounds like something you need, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss a single video. Now let's talk about these 5 tools. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. And before you say, you've already heard of it, stick with me because most people are only using 10% of what it can do. ChatGPT is like having a personal assistant, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can use it to write emails, summarize long documents, plan your week, answer questions, and even help you make decisions. Here's a real example. Instead of spending 30 minutes writing a difficult email to your boss, just tell ChatGPT what you want to say and it writes it for you in seconds. You just edit it, copy it, and send it. ChatGPT is free to use at chat.openai.com. I'll put the link in the description below. Tool number 2 is Claude, made by a company called Anthropic. Think of Claude as ChatGPT's smarter cousin when it comes to reading and understanding long documents. If you have a contract, a report, a research paper, or even a book, you can paste it into Claude and ask it any question about it. For example, instead of reading a 50-page business report, paste it into Claude and ask, "What are the 5 most important points in this document?" You'll have your answer in seconds. Claude is free at claude.ai, link in the description. Tool number 3 is Canva AI. And if you've never used Canva before, you're in for a treat. Canva is a design tool that lets anyone create beautiful graphics, presentations, social media, posts, and videos, even if you have zero design experience. And now with AI built in, it's even more powerful. You can type what you want, like create a professional presentation about my small business, and Canva's AI will generate the whole thing for you in seconds. You just customize the colors and text. Canva is free at canva.com. Tool number 4 is Otter AI, and this one is a game changer if you sit in a lot of meetings. Otter AI automatically joins your Zoom, Google, Meet, or Teams meetings and transcribes everything that's said in real time. It also summarizes the meeting and pulls out action items so you never have to take notes again. Imagine leaving every meeting with a perfect summary already in your inbox. No more frantically scribbling notes or trying to remember what was decided. Otter AI has a free plan at otter.ai, link below. And tool number 5 is Perplexity AI. Think of this as Google but supercharged with AI. Instead of getting a list of links you have to click through, Perplexity gives you a direct answer to your question with sources cited so you can verify everything. It's perfect for research, fact-checking, and getting quick answers on any topic. For example, instead of Googling what's the best budget laptop in 2025 and reading 10 different articles, just ask Perplexity and it gives you a clear, direct answer in seconds. Perplexity is free at perplexity.ai. And tool number 5 is Perplexity AI. Think of this as Google but supercharged with AI. Instead of getting a list of links you have to click through, Perplexity gives you a direct answer to your question with sources cited so you can verify everything. It's perfect for research, fact-checking, and getting quick answers on any topic. For example, instead of Googling what's the best budget laptop in 2025 and reading 10 different articles, just ask Perplexity and it gives you a clear, direct answer in seconds. Perplexity is free at perplexity.ai. So there you have it. 5 AI tools that every day people are using right now to save hours every week. ChatGPT for writing and assistance, Claude For reading documents, Canva AI for design, Otter AI for meetings, and Perplexity for research. All of them are free to start. Pick one, try it this week, and I guarantee you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It helps more people find this channel. And subscribe for a new video every Tuesday and Friday where I break down AI in plain English. I'll see you in the next one.